mfethu kuhamba kahle uthini baba wami?
No mfethu kuhamba kahle kusayinyanga yamadoda namhlanje bengithe asixoxe nje ngetopic engicabanga ukuthi ithe uqina kakhulu kunama topic esike saba nayo. Isihloko engithe ngesikhethe namhlanje zibanjwa kwezudlayo. Zibanjwa kwezudlayo isiZulu-ke leso kuyaye kuthiwa isiZulu asitolikwa. Namhlanje sibuka kakhulu mfethu kuma challenges addiction kodwa sobe sibheke kakhulu kwi-porn, you know. This is very sensitive mfethu and ngiyazi ukuthi in silence abantu abaningi izobe bathinta ngabodwana because it's a very relevant topic as much as in the crowd we make jokes about it. In fact mfethu ngisakhuluma ngaleyo nto many years ago, more than 20 years ago mfethu khona insizwa yami ekade ibuka i-movie theater. Kuthe mase kudlala amanye amasinzi yaphuma lensizwe theater imovie iqhubeka yabo. Kwavungama inkundla mfethu behleka lo mbhemu ukuthi uwiki uyahle ushiya imovie idlala mfethu kanti lo mjita lona waphuma for about 5 minutes wasebuyela back. Ngaxoxa nalensizwa afterwards uthi awuqhawe ngizwe kuthiwa wena uphume imovie idlala etheater and then kwahleka wonke umuntu wasiyachaza lo mbhemu wathi no mfethu it's true. The reason why I did that nginenkinga ye-pornography yabo lento le. So ukubukela kwami ama-movie athile evoke something and then kungibuyisele back ekutheni ngithole sengibambeka yabo lento le. So sisalapho mfethu ngifuna ukuveza kakhulu magnitude of the problem that we are talking about because it's easy to dismiss it as if it's just into yabantu abambalwa. Ngiyakhumbula enye insizwa mfethu, I'm not sure how true the story is. Most of the stories I tell is zamaqiniso ngiyazazi, but this one I'm not sure how true it is, but somehow uma ngisichaza abantu abaningi bazobona ukuthi it's closer to the truth. Enye insizwa ithi khona la kwakune church conference khona kwenye indawo mfethu abazalwane bebooke ihotel, you know. Lelo hotel lelibookiwe abazalwane bezohlala kulo next to the conference venue. Kuthiwa khona usisi wayesebenza mfethu ehotela kuthiwa ngocwaningo lwabo i-usage ye-pornography was high kuleyo weekend la kwakade kugcwele khona abazalwane bezolento lena. Why mfethu ngumzalwane ngingenawo amahloni ukwenza isibonelo esikanjena? It's because I know ukuthi baningi abantu ababanjiwe emasontweni yabo lento le. Ngisalapho mfethu 20 years ago again somehow I think it was about a year later following the incident I had with a friend wahlekwe theater. Khona umfundisi oweze esontweni lethu mfethu ikhehle lomfundisi nje owayumlungu mfethu umefika esontweni lethu uzokhuluma kabanzi namadoda. Enye into yakhuluma ngayo mfethu ukuthi kwathi ngelinye ilanga ehleli e-office lakhe wathola i-email njengenjwayelo. Umethu ayivula le email ine-link. Umeyivula mfethu i-link wasethola izithombe ngezinhle zabantu besifazana abangaqokile. Wayivula i-link kanti uzothi umeyivula wasebahooked, you know. Wayithola mfethu esebambekile kwi-porn. Uthi mfethu yambamba lento inyanga mfethu esabathethu umfundisi mfethu umuntu wayesebe umfundisi for close to 30 years lo muntu mfethu elide ibandla esezo retire mfethu wathola le link eyambamba mfethu yabo lento le. So I want to show you the magnitude of this thing. Uthi lo mjita mfethu wabuyela back esontweni lakhe wabacela ukuthi abayiblock mfethu i-internet ukuthi ingabe saba khona lento lena, you know. Bayiblock mfethu wasebenza for a couple of months but yabuya mfethu addiction izombamba mfethu. Uthi wayesephuma esontweni lakhe office ayobuka ipornography mfethu kuma internet cafe yabo lento le. Yes, ofika and mfethu I think the very interesting thing this guy said mfethu uthi umefika mfethu kuma internet cafe ayisebuka kuona uthi ngelinye ilanga wathi uyafika umethu uyangena ku internet cafe mfethu ubona umuntu obuka ipornography lapha yabo. Wahamba umceba lo muntu mfethu kubantu baku internet cafe ukuthi hey nivumela kanjani into kanjena ukuthi umuntu azobuka iporn. This is embarrassing, you know. Bamxosha ngempela lo muntu wamxoshisa lo muntu mfethu. Uthe uma semxoshisile uthi mfethu the first thing ayenza uma seyohlala edeskini was to watch the very same thing ayikade exoshise omunye umuntu mfethu. This is how powerful this addiction is. As much as I'm saying that, I'm also aware ukuthi the blood of Jesus is powerful. Abanye mfethu sengidlula kule. Yes, abanye bethu sakhuluma ngalapho mfethu lento yaqala ungathi innocent mfethu yabo. Abantu abaningi baqala ukuba addicted ukuthi babamba ama magazines. uKanye West ukhuluma ukuthi wabamba imagazini kababa wakhe yabo lento le. Abanye bethu mfethu ngiyakhumbula sase high school abantu abaningi mfethu mabengaba honest mfethu khona ama channel ama TV channels engeke ngiwabize but I know ukuthi ngama Saturdays ebusuku kwakunama channel ayibamba abafana abancane kakhulu. Iningi labantu abane addiction njengamanje if they were to trace it back they will trace it back kuleyo show ayidlala ngomgqibelo ebusuku. Imagine midnight ngama Saturdays ubanjwe ama shows e pornography kusasa kufanele uvukele enkonzweni yabo. So abantu abaningi babambeka lapho. Now again mfethu ngisakhuluma nge-magnitude of land. uKirk Franklin mfethu uthe seko 27 years esanda kushada wakhuluma ngalento ukuthi yena wabanjwe ipornography nabo 10 years, you know. Kanye West naye mfethu uke waphuma mfethu ngabo 2022 ekhuluma ukuthi ipornography ibe umthelelo ukuthi kuze kulidele kwi-divorce. Khona insizwe egama layo uTerry Crew mfethu bayamazi abaningi umlingisi uyisigora, yes. Naye mfethu kuwaphumela obala waveza ukuthi ipornography cishe yamqedela umndeni wakhe. Why mfethu ngikhuluma ngimention abantu these three guys that I've mentioned mfethu bonke bashadelwe mfethu yabo. Why mfethu ukuthi ipornography imefika izokubamba umncane ikutshena ukuthi hayi ngoba usingile once washadelwa wena uzoba grand. Wow. That's the greatest deception. Imefika kuwena ithi hayi wena kufanele ungibuke because you are single, but once washadelwa uzoba grand. And then uma usushadelwa why sithola abantu bengasho ukuthi I used to, they are complaining ukuthi ngishadile nginonkosikazi ngiyamthanda but ngibanjwe ipornography. That's a thing. Why kwenzeka kanjalo? Ipornography firstly erase ama expectations, you know. Wonke umuntu osemshadweni, I think I'm close to 12 years ngisemshadweni. One thing I can assure you, the hardest thing ukuba semshadweni ukuthi ube nama expectations or itshena ukuthi omunye umuntu kufana wamithe without you communicating them. And the pornography does that. Izokurezela ama expectations.
Inyanga amadoda namhlanje thulani wakhulu.
Mfowethu, ipornography izokurezela ama expectations and without you communicating them uzolindela omunye umuntu ukuthi awamithe lawo ama expectations. Enye into ipornography yenzayo mfethu yenza abantu baba ama-objects. The more you indulge kwi-pornography uhambe mall nje ubona abantu besifazane ongathi ba ama-objects. Umuntu wesifazane ubona abantu besilisa ongathi ba ama-objects. There are things to indulge upon. Wow. It objectifies people. Mfethu sengizovala kulento lena. The way out mfethu. Omunye umuntu uzothini yazi nami ngibambekile kulento ngiphuma kanjani. Nazi ezinye izinto mfethu okufana mhlambe ngizoyisummarize, but one of them mfethu you need to expose it. Umuntu oyisidakwa kulula ukuthi kucace ukuthi ayilona udla ama-drugs oyisidakwa, but ipornography yakwazi ukuthi ukubambe wedwa usekhoneni, you know. Uthola ukuthi nje mfethu ekubambe wedwa mfethu u-right u-clean u-grand but nje ekhoneni uyazi ukuthi iyangibamba ipornography. So find a partner ozokhuluma naye. Thola umtshita wakho mfethu enizokhuluma naye uma ukuthi nama issues nobabili. Okwesibili mfethu fonela i-network company yakho oyisebenzisayo ubatshene ukuthi nginenkinga yalento ngicela ningiblockela amalento lena. Uma ukhuluma khona atomic habits bakhuluma ukuthi you need to change your environment uma ufuna ukuphuma kwamanye ama habits. Enye mfethu last point mfethu kulama triggers indlela zokuphuma. Last point mfethu ngithi mina understand ama triggers zakho. Sonke sinama triggers. This guy wayibuka abaleka kwe-movies because he knew ukuthi triggers yakhe ukuthi uma ezobuka i-movie nama-scenes athile. Funda mfethu ukuthi uma uwedwa ubuka i-movie. Yazi mina I married a habit mfethu ukuthi ngisho ngibuka i-movie ngingedwa ngiyakwazi ukuyi-forward uma ukuthi kudlala ama-scenes angekho right. Why? I'm protecting my head. Khona ama-sports mfethu abukeke innocent, but uma ubuka abantu besifazane abadlala kuleyo ama-sports khona ama-positions are compromising that uma ubuka leyo nto leyo izokutriggerisha something kuwena mfethu. You don't have to explain much. Avoid those things. Last point kule nto yama-triggers. Khona usisi mfethu abanokuposta izinto ku-social media mhlawumbe ngizothi innocently ngokwe-respect. Uthola umuntu ugqoke iy'ngubo zesonto mfethu uma eshutha iy'thombe ushutha iy'thombe ey'compromise ukuthi ugqoke i-uniform yasesontweni ebese efaka ivesi lapha. Uma ubuka lezi y'thombe zinama-motives angekho right, but uzofaka ivesi lapho ongathi umntwana kaNkulunkulu, but umuntu uyabuka kunama-motives kulezi y'thombe. Social media mfethu, u-social media udesignwe ngenye indlela. Iy'thombe uy'buka kakhulu u-social media uyitshena ukuthi wena uyayithanda uzoloda ukulethela. Be careful of watching abantu besifazane iy'thombe engezinhle ngoba u-social media uzocabanga ukuthi uyayithanda lezo zinto ebese ukuflagela zona lezo zinto. Mfethu kuthiwa zibanjwa kwezudlayo. Why kuthiwa zibanjwa kwezudlayo? Zibanjwa kwezudlayo because whatever that you indulge upon uyayiconsume leyo nto, but in no time whatever the thing you are consuming izobe se-consumer wena. Kwaqala ngeglasi yewayini be-enjoy abantu kodwa manje iwayini le-consumer bona. God is love. Inyanga yamadoda namhlanje asikwazi ukuhamba easy. This is a men's month. We need to deliver people. And as we talk about these things, people are going to make fun about us because whenever you talk about a serious topic, people will laugh like bahleka umngane wami ephuma etiyetha. But kulabo bantu ababehleka, most of them bebe cage of pornography, but they had guts to laugh at the friend of mine. God is love.
Hayi ke motivation yamadoda hayi thulani wachika kakhulu lalela ke ngoba sesiyivalile asenze nje thina ke in ministry sifundisiwe by the Spirit of the Living God ukuthi this is how you abanye start getting spiritual attacks, spiritual wives and spiritual husbands.
Yeah.
Every time noma ungazoshade unkosikazi engakwanelisi.
Yes.
Engakwanelisi abanye before baye enkonzweni
Yeah.
yasekamereni
Yeah.
abuke.
That's correct.
Suyafihla mina.
Mfethu.
But it will lead you
Well
from
researched.
pornography to
Yeah.
masturbation, from masturbation to suicidal thoughts.
Well researched.
Uzibona ungcolile ungafuna